In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, you should be able to see in here this page. So for this, proceed to click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account, or you can also proceed to click onto the Sign In option in order to sign into one. So let's proceed to actually head over and then sign into this. You can use your account that you use on OneDrive as well as Microsoft Word. Once you have done that, you should be able to access your Microsoft Loop, and here is mine right there. Now, for example, let's start typing right here a paragraph. I have in here this text, so for this case, just proceed to select all of them. You can see these formats for bold, italic, underline, strike through, and the likes. Now you can see as well the option for headings and lists. So click onto this and you can change in here if it's actually a paragraph, collapsible heading, and the likes. If you click onto this color and formatting, you can change its color right there. However, if you want to change the particular font that we have right here into our actual Microsoft Loop, it actually needs a different setting. Actually, Microsoft Loop font cannot be changed because it has a standard formatting tool right there. So Word can change it, but Microsoft Loop can't. But you can adjust the styles for headings and body text instead, so you can change the style and size as well as using and copy pasting formatting. So for example, if you want to change its format, you can head over to a new tab and search right here for Lingo Jam, Fancy Text Generator. Once you're onto this particular website, you can just copy and paste right here the text that we have copied from our database. And just put right here the normal text, and then it will input the fancy text right there. You should be able to see it right here. You can just choose how it will be presented onto this case. So for example, let's choose right here this one, copy it, right click, and then after this, just paste it right here, and it should be able to be added. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.